Assalamu alaikum all. How are you? Hope you're doing well and taking good care of yourself, your hygiene, your parents, and everything. I'm your teacher Nisa Jalani and I'm here to teach you English, inshallah. So today we are going to know about parts of speech. But before the beginning of anything, we always start with the name of Allah, the most merciful. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. O my Lord, relieve my mind and ease my task for me, and loosen not from my tongue that they may understand my saying. So children, today the topic we are going to do is parts of speech. What is parts of speech? In English grammar, a parts of speech is a category of words that have similar grammatical properties. Parts of speech tell us how a word is used in a sentence. Here you can see in the picture as well, there are 8 parts of speech in English: pronoun, noun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Each part of a speech has a specific use or function. First part of a speech we are going to do is noun. What is noun is? Noun is a naming word. Means in this world everything is noun. Like जो भी इस पूरे दुनिया में जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो सब कहीं ना कहीं noun हैं. Then noun is that name used for the person, place, animal, or thing. Like if I'm saying Ali goes to London, so Ali is a name of a person and London is a place, so we can use both of them as a noun. Here are some examples which are related to noun with the pictures. These all are noun. Some are places, person, animals, and things. Okay, you can find out yourself which one is person and which one is place and etc. Okay, the next is pronoun. The second part of speech is pronoun. What is pronoun is? Pronoun is a word that replaces noun in a sentence. Means pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same nouns in a sentence. For example, like अगर हम कहें कि हम इन अ वर्ड हम 2 दफ़ा एक ही नाउन को यूज़ नहीं करते, हम उस नाउन को रिप्लेस करते हैं विद सम अदर वर्ड एंड द अदर वर्ड इज़ कॉल्ड प्रोनाउन. ओके, द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस आर आई, यू, ही, शी, इट, वी, दे. मीन्स these are the pronoun we can use, we can replace them with the noun. Okay, like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Like if I'm talking about Sarah is tired and she wants to sleep, means Sarah comes twice. So what I can say, Sarah is tired and she wants to sleep, means I can replace one Sarah with the pronoun she. Okay, so the next one is adjective. What is adjectives are? Adjectives are the words that used to describe nouns or pronouns. These are the words that modify nouns or pronouns even in a better way. Like मैं ये कहूँ कि adjectives वो होते हैं जो किसी भी sentence के अंदर noun को और ज़्यादा अच्छे से explain करते हैं. Like here are so many nouns, so many adjectives in this picture. Like if I give you the example, like Ali bought a red car. Means Ali is a noun and car is a noun as well. But what type of car Ali bought? So I can say Ali bought a red car. So red is the adjective here. Okay, the next one is verb. As you know what is verb is? A word that used to describe an action. ऐसा कोई काम जो action को describe करे, movement को describe करे, this is called verb. Like doing, word that shows an action that describes what the subject is exactly doing. Like if I'm going to give you the example, like so many, one is like she planted the trees. So she is a subject here, or you can say pronoun. Planted is a verb, tree is a noun. So we exactly know the person is doing what. Like she planted the tree. So verb क्या होता है? वो जो person जो भी काम कर रहा होता है उसको बता रहा होता है कि what exactly the person is doing. So this is called a verb. Okay, so this is the end of today's topic. Hope noun, verb, adjective, and pronoun you had understood in this session. So inshallah I'll meet you again with something else. And I am ending this session with this dua. Oh Allah, I entrust you with what I have read and studied. Oh Allah, bring it back to me when I'm in need of it. Oh Allah, you do whatever you wish. You are my availer and protector and the best of aid. So take care and Allah Hafiz.